Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Apple Intelligence on iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is simply head over to settings and make sure you are on the eligible iOS version. Click on software update in order to update your phone to the latest version. And then you're going to go back and you'll be able to see this option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. Click on it. So with Apple Intelligence, you can experience the next generation of intelligence now integrated into the core of iOS, bringing you a powerful and personalized intelligence. So simply toggle this on. And once you have done so, you can simply go and type in any message. For example, I'm going to go to the notepad. And then once you click on the notepad, you'll be able to see this icon appear. Click on it. This is basically the Apple Intelligence, which will help you in writing, in proofreading, rewriting, friendly, professional tones. It will help you concise. So basically, whatever change you want your text to have, that will be over here. So that is basically how you can get Apple Intelligence on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.